In this video, we'll review the 4 costing methods available in inFlow Cloud. We'll cover moving average, FIFO, LIFO, and manual costing. All right, let's get started. One of the first things you'll do in inFlow is choose a costing method, which is how inFlow tracks and reports on your costs. inFlow defaults to moving average as the costing method, so it continually averages out your product cost after each purchase. Here's a quick example. Say you buy 2 pieces of something in January for $10 each. Then you buy 4 more pieces in February for $20 each. Using the moving average, inFlow would divide the money that you paid by the number of pieces that you have in stock. So when you first sell one of those pieces under moving average, the new unit cost would be $16.67. Now let's review the other costing methods and you'll see the difference. FIFO, which stands for first in, first out, works in terms of cost layers. Each time you buy a product on a purchase order, you create a cost layer for that product. And when you sell something, the first products that came in are the first ones that go out. So to return to our example, the first time you sell one of those products, you'd take from the January batch, and the unit cost would be $10. When you run out of products from January, you'd move on to the next cost layer from February. And that's how FIFO works. LIFO, which stands for last in, first out, works in reverse. When you sell something, you start with the last layer you purchased. So for our example, you'd start selling the February units and then sell the January units afterwards. The last products in are the first ones out. And that's how LIFO works. Manual costing is easiest to explain. With manual, inFlow doesn't do any sort of cost calculations for any of your products. Whatever you type into the cost field will be the unit cost for the product. Simple. And those are the 4 costing methods available in inFlow. If watching the video made you realize you might have chosen the wrong one, get in touch with your sales rep or the inFlow support team, and we'll help you change your costing method.